Hey YouTube! This is Matt here with Maple Mountain Fireplace. Hey, today we're going to show you the right way to light a fire in an airtight, EPA certified wood burning stove. So this is how we stack the wood. We've got your big logs on the bottom. We got some split logs, smaller logs in the middle, and we've got the kindling on top. Now this is reverse what you were taught as a Boy Scout. And the reason for that is we've got these air tubes that bring in additional combustion air right at the top of the baffle. And that's for the EPA, but by putting the kindling right next to these tubes, you're going to get the air you need for combustion. All right, we've got the air control open, and let's close the door. So here's a few notes on the stove itself. This is the 2.3 Harmony. It has a 75,000 BTU, and it'll heat 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. All right, we're starting to get this fire established, and you can see that additional combustion air coming in through those holes up at the top of that baffle. So we're about an hour into this burn, and I added a few more logs right on the top where that kindling burned down. And I want you to watch what happens when we turn the air control all the way down. It's really going to just slow down the fire. And even this little fire down here, it's just slowing it down, and you can really see more of the smoke on the top re-burning. This will go for about a 10-hour burn time. Hey, here we are 15 hours later. I just want to show you we do have some hot coals. Still, one load of wood. Still warm in here. There you have it, how to light a fire from the top down in an EPA certified wood stove. Be sure to like us, subscribe, and thanks for watching.